say we need to talk. She walks, you say sit down, it's just a talk. She smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through some sort of a window to your right. He goes left and you stay right between the lines of fear and blame. You start to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness. Now that I stayed up with you all night, head on up, how to save a life. Let him know that you know best, 'cause after all you do know best. Try to slip past his defense without granting innocence. Lay down a list of what is wrong, the things you told him all along, and pray to God he hears you. And pray to God he hears you. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness. Now would I stayed up with you all night, head on up, how to save a life. As he begins to raise his voice, you lower yours and grant him one last choice. Drive until you lose the road and pray to the ones that you followed. He will do one of two things. He will admit to everything, or he'll say he's just not the same, and you'll begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong?